features of the new iPhone that will blow your mind. The latest iPhone release has generated buzz with its sleek design and advanced features. While Apple highlighted its flagship capabilities during the launch, there are hidden gems buried in this device that can take your user experience to the next level. In this article, we'll explore 10 hidden features of the new iPhone that you probably didn't know about. 1. Back tap gesture for quick actions. The back tap feature is a game changer for productivity. By enabling it in Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back Tap, you can double or triple tap the back of your iPhone to perform actions like taking a screenshot, launching apps, or toggling the flashlight. 2. Built-in document scanner. Say goodbye to third-party scanner apps. The Notes app on the new iPhone has an integrated scanner. Open Notes, tap the camera icon, and select Scan Documents to easily digitize paperwork. 3. Customizable focus modes. The updated focus mode allows you to create custom profiles tailored to your activities like work, fitness, or relaxation. You can personalize notifications, app access, and even your home screen layout for each mode. 4. Hidden album protection. Privacy is paramount, and Apple has taken it up a notch. The hidden album in Photos can now be locked with Face ID or Touch ID, ensuring your private photos stay secure. And 5. Text extraction from images. With live text, you can extract text from photos or screenshots. Simply open an image, long press the text, and copy it for use elsewhere. It's perfect for capturing notes from a whiteboard or saving contact information from a business card. 6. Face ID with a mask. For the first time, Face ID works even if you're wearing a mask. Enable this feature in Settings, Face ID, and Passcode. It focuses on the area around your eyes for authentication, making unlocking your phone more convenient. 7. Sound recognition alerts. The new iPhone can recognize specific sounds like doorbells, baby cries, or alarms. Enable this in Settings, Accessibility, Sound Recognition, and you'll receive notifications whenever the phone detects these sounds. 8. Safari tab groups. Multitasking is easier with Safari's tab groups. You can organize tabs into different categories, like work, travel, or shopping, and switch between them effortlessly. This feature syncs across all your Apple devices. 9. Battery health optimization. The new iPhone offers enhanced battery management tools. Go to Settings, Battery Health to enable optimized battery charging. This reduces battery aging by learning your charging habits and limiting charge beyond 80% when not needed. 10. One-handed keyboard mode. Typing with one hand is a breeze with the one-handed keyboard mode. Press and hold the globe or emoji icon on the keyboard and select the left or right-aligned option to shrink the keyboard for easier access. Why these features matter? These hidden features enhance usability, privacy, and efficiency, making the new iPhone a must-have for tech enthusiasts. Whether you're a power user or just getting started, these tips will help you unlock the full potential of your device. If you found this article helpful, share it with your friends and explore more tech tips on our blog. Stay tuned for more insights into the latest gadgets and updates.